Good morning, YouTubers. This is Kim, the Cajun Goldwing rider. This is a continuation of the last week's ride, and we're going to also talk about restoring the Honda Goldwing Windshield. Let's ride. Good morning, YouTubers. Today we are riding with Charles and Gordon in the front and Marcus in the back. Right now we are heading to a location to pick up a bike for Gordon. He does not store his bike at his house. He stores it in a different location. So we're going to pick it up and then we're going to go ride to Arnaudville, Louisiana. We're also going to talk about restoring the Honda Goldwing Windshield. Hope you come along for the ride.
Alright, gonna get down to the next guy's that's coming ride with us to his house, and be back with you in a minute. Alright, YouTubers, we're back on the road again. We're gonna head to another gas station there. My partner Charles, with his trike there, he says he don't get much gas mileage on there, a little over 100 miles to the tank. So just a little bit of riding we did this morning, he's already almost empty. So we have to get some more fuel before we head on to our next location. So we'll head over to a Shell gas station there, where they have the non-ethanol fuel. Marcus in the front, Gordon in the front of me, and Charles in the back. We're going to be heading to Arnaudville, Louisiana. Take some back roads out there. So, be a nice pleasure ride. Nothing wrong with that. down here when I was younger. The roads got kind of beat up a little bit with the trees, the roots, cracking all this asphalt. Doesn't have hardly any water. Oh yeah, it does. There's a little water in it.
Yes, folks, beautiful backcountry here. Not a lot of traffic, and the roads are nice for South Louisiana, which is great. Also, on this vlog, I wanted to discuss a new item I had tried and share with y'all. It's a restoring pad for a Honda windshield. I want you to check out this clip here. We're gonna try something new today. This is something I picked up on eBay. It says Honda motorcycle windshield cleaner, polish, and restore pad. So I heard some good things about it. This item only sells for $5.98 and free shipping. I'll put it up on this video here, where I got it from, and we're gonna go ahead and try it out this morning. See how it works. It says we're gonna need a little bit of water to dilute it, and let's see. The instruction says motorcycle windshield restore pad. Simply wet pad, rub on, wipe off, and you're done. It says this pad will erase haze yellow film from windshield and restore in 2 minutes or less. Just wet pad and rub on and wipe off to restore your windshield like new. So we're gonna give it a try. And I would tell you, this is to only be used on the factory windshield. I wouldn't use it on any high-end windshield. My windshield is the one that came with the bike. I do have another one to put on, but I'm just going to try to see if I can clean this one up a little bit. So let me get some water and I'll be right back. Alright, we got us 2 cleaning cloths, some chamois to wipe it up after we finish. So basically it says to cut this open and soak it in water. And this is made for plastic windshields. It's pretty flat. So we're gonna go ahead and dip it in water, just like it said. Alright folks, I'm going to try and see what happens. Apparently got wax in this thing, apparently. Just rub hard in a circle motion, so we're doing so.
Alright folks, I'll show you the finished product here of the Cajun Goldwing windshield. Alright folks, here's a shot of the Cajun Goldwing.
I would recommend this product only if your windshield is really bad, and I would only use it on the stock windshield. And after that, I would recommend, after you have finished, to apply this product called Plexus. Great product, and then it really popped out. It really was good. I'd like to thank one of my partners, John Dubose, for recommending it. Alright folks, now we are heading to a new restaurant here. I don't know the name of it, but we're going to pull in and get us a bite to eat. We'll be back on the road.
Yeah, that's a nice road. I got some
Oh yeah, great bunch of guys. You got Charles to your left, you got Marcus, and all the way to your right is Gordon. Great bunch of guys. We've been riding together for a long time. Now we're going to get us a bite to eat, and we head back on the road.
Alright folks, we just had a great meal, a little dinner, getting back on the road. Okay man. Alright. Oh yeah, we had a steak burger. It was pretty good. Pretty good. I like these back road restaurants. Not big restaurants, but man, the food is fantastic.
Alright folks, we have to end this video because it looks like it's a day's ride, so we'll show some of these other clips later on. I hope you enjoyed the little video, and this is Kim, Cajun Goldwing rider, signing out. I'd like to thank Marcus, Charles, and Gordon for the lovely ride, and for y'all hanging out and watching it on my motovlog. Thanks again. God bless.